welcome to my channel. Today I have a review and unboxing of a 1/18 scale 1966 Pontiac GTO that is by Ertl Collectibles and is part of the American Muscle line. Let's go ahead and take a look at the box here. It's got a nice stone crystal look to the box. You can see the car itself is held down onto a plastic platform there. There's some paperwork at the back of the box that slides around when you move it. On the side of the box here, you got the American Muscle badging as well as the 1966 Pontiac GTO. On the back here, it shows some of the different features of the car: steerable wheels, opening hood and doors, detailed interior and chassis, and a 389 cubic inch V8 with tri-power intake. The one side is the same as the other. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the box. There you go, showing that you will need a screwdriver to remove the car from the base in the box. There you can see the Ertl company is copyrighted in 1997, so that shows that this car is quite old. I picked this up at like a flea market the other day. Alright, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Now that we've got that out of the box, let's go ahead and take a look at the GTO here. Nice, sleek, black design with the red pinstripe along with the red interior. You can see on the front end there the silver Pontiac arrowhead along with the GTO badging in the grille there. And there is a Texas plate, GTO 066. Got the stacked headlights along with the turn signals. Got the hood scoops on the hood as well. A nice red pinstriping running down the length of the vehicle, along with the red striping in the wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the vehicle here. Very nicely detailed gauge cluster and radio down there. Got the nice tall shifter knob with the brake, accelerator, and clutch pedals down there. Got the center console in the front of the car with bucket seats. It's a nice red interior. Let's take a look at the door panels here. The window crank there, as well as the door handle. On the back, we've got the GTO badging on the trunk lid, and the Pontiac badging between the taillights. The same Texas GTO 066 plate, along with the reverse lights down in the bumper. Got dual exhaust tips coming out the rear. As we come around the passenger side of the vehicle, the passenger side of the vehicle looks the same as the driver's side. It's very symmetrical looking. Let's take a look inside the passenger side. Got a nicely modeled dash in there, as well as the passenger footwell. Got the rear view mirror in sight there. You can see it's got the tri-power intake on the 389 cubic inch engine there with the Pontiac blue painted engine block with the chrome valve covers. The chrome master cylinder and brake fluid reservoir. The radiator hose going from the radiator to the engine. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the underside of the vehicle here. You can see the steerable wheels. They're a little clunky right now, but I'm sure as I get them worked out, they'll be more positionable. Got the Pontiac blue on the engine block as well as the transmission. You can see the nice silver dual exhausts going all the way back. The rear axle. There's a nicely detailed underside here for a 1/18 scale model. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality of the model considering it is 23 years old at this point. Looks very good, and the GTOs are very sharp looking vehicles that they got lots of class and elegance to them, like just the sleek lines going down. So there you go. That has been the review and unboxing of the 1/18 scale Ertl Collectibles 1966 Pontiac GTO. If you enjoyed this video, drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks.